Alright y'all, you saw from the thumbnail, we have purchased a truck. I've been hunting for a while and this one popped up and it was a good deal. In fact, it's everything that I wanted in an actual fishing truck, because y'all know that's what I do for a living. So to be able to have a lot of storage and just to make this work for me, it was just a perfect fit. Now there is some minor problems, but it's nothing that we can't fix. The price I got it for is extremely good, and I like working on stuff. I actually might film a couple of videos of showing y'all what we're doing to it. I'll explain what we've already done. For me purchasing the pond in the last video and now buying the truck, it's all kind of falling into play. I planned this out, so when everything is going to happen for me, it's now. It doesn't make any sense. You guys will see in the upcoming videos how all this is going to relate into one. Now having this truck, I can film a lot more videos and we can go explore a lot more places. It is a four-wheel drive. Let's stop talking about it and let you guys see it. Alright y'all, here is the truck. This is a 2002 Chevy Tahoe. I don't have any records on the truck. I bought it the way it is. I mean, it's something I can't fix down the road, but I mean, it actually doesn't look that bad. The whole front end of this truck is actually a cat-eye Chevy. I'll pop up a little picture right here. That's what that truck looks like. So like I said, I don't know what happened to it, but the boys who had it before me, girls, guys, I don't know, they redid the whole front end, which I mean, it's not bad. In my eyes, I really don't care about what the truck looks like. I mean, I think it's pretty clean the way it sits. There's some dents, still not that bad for what I paid for it. The truck does run dry for it. It's got it all fully loaded. I mean, it's pretty nice inside. I'll show you guys here in a second. I'm sitting on 35-inch tires, which is nice. Like I said, it is four-wheel drive. I'll show you guys the inside. When you open the door, it is fully leather interior. It's all power seats, all of that works. I mean, it's a 2002, so leather does crack, but that's why we have seat covers is what I'm gonna throw in here. My side is even worse. There was a big hole there. I'll show you guys what I did. I done patched it up, but like I said, guys, it is what it is. It's a nice truck. It's gonna take some stuff to get it going. I mean, it's already going now, but just to top it off with what it needs, it's not that bad. Carpet's pretty nice. Same with the back seat. I mean, it is what it is. I love the truck. Back seats are pretty nice. I really don't care about those. It actually does hold a third row, but it didn't come with the truck, and I also don't want it because I'm gonna have a ton of fishing gear back there. That's the one positive thing about this truck, is that it holds a ton of room. That means a ton of fishing gear. She's nice. Oh, this is pretty cool. This little compartment, it actually holds some cups in it. I can put some stuff in there. Once again, more fishing gear. Can hide some stuff away in my little stash. Inside the truck, it's pretty nice. Back tires on this truck are pretty bald. I'm gonna have to get new tires, but I'm not really worried about that. These are not safe to really drive on, but it is what it is. This is pretty nice. I can just pop this little hatch right here. This opens up. Easy access to fishing poles. We're gonna open this up, and like I said, there is a ton of room back here, which is awesome because I have a lot of fishing gear. Y'all gonna like this. This should have been the first thing I purchased, but it was for this truck. These little fishing pole racks right here, so I can tie them up on both sides, and it kind of dangles down like that. One goes back here, and then one goes up in the middle of the truck, and it actually holds all my fishing poles on top of the ceiling, which is gonna be super nice. Already got a bag of worms back here. Like I said, there is a third row for seats, so if I ever did want those, I can get them, but I really don't, because once again, we're gonna make a little count for this. I have a lot of fishing gear. This whole thing's gonna be slammed. I'm gonna actually organize how I'm gonna do this. It's gonna be pretty neat. Tons of room. I like it. Jump to the other side, open this door up. Everything's actually really good on this truck. I did clean it a lot when I got it. Now you can see all the carpet down there. What's neat about this, these seats do pick up. I vacuumed everything down there. I mean, it's pretty clean. Seats do fold down too. Come on, there it goes. All nice. So if I go overboard, I actually do put a lot of my fishing gear in here. I could actually lay these seats down and load this thing up. When I said this truck is fully loaded, I mean, it's got it all, y'all. We got the controls up there too. This part's a little bad, but once I really don't care. That's why they make seat covers. I patched it up. It's got some duct tape on it, but it is what it is. That's nice. There's a big hole right here, and that's why I said I threw some more foam in it. I patched it up. The seat's comfortable. That's why I just filled it in, because my butt will be right there, and as long as I'm not caving in and I have a seat cover over it, I really don't mind. Full drive options right there. I mean, it's nice, y'all. A lot of people try to get all fancy with the radio. That's what I think about that. If I got a window that works, I want to hear the wind. That's all I care about. What's nice about this, I do have 3 cigarette lighters right there, so I can actually hook up some other lights in here maybe. Put a charge camera gear as we're heading to a new pond. Some nice room there, some paper towels. I was cleaning up a little bit. It's got heated seats. I have a lot of controls right here. I can adjust my seat with 1 and 2. This is the front end of the truck. It does have LEDs in it. Y'all can see there is a black hood. I don't know why they did this, but I mean, it is what it is. The paint's kind of dull on it. It does not really look the best, but like I said, I really don't care about that. Down the road, I actually might get it back, just an average stock Tahoe, but I mean, For what it is now, it is not that bad. Tires up front are not that bad. They actually have around about, I'd say about 40% tread. It's not terrible. These I can drive on. These I cannot. Side's pretty bad, and y'all will laugh at this. Side's even worse. You can see wire, and there's chunks taken out of it. No good. We'll need new tires. Let's go ahead and pop the hood for y'all. So this Tahoe does have the 5.3 Vortec in it. Super strong motor. There was no ticking. It runs and drives great right now. Transmission isn't slipping, which is a positive. Now the stuff that we will talk about that this truck is having problems with right now. We spent 9 hours yesterday fixing it, and I looked underneath it today. I don't think it fixed it, but it's common for these trucks. I think the rear main seal in this Tahoe is bad. I'm leaking oil, and a lot of it. We dropped the pan yesterday and put new gaskets, new oil. We did a lot, like $150 a lot. But all that stuff is new and taken care of now, so I mean, it needs to be replaced anyway, so I'm not complaining about it. If you guys don't know this, in order to fix a rear main seal, you're either going to pull the motor out or drop the transmission. And the part is only $30, which is just stupid. It's paying somebody to replace it, which can be like over $1,000, and we don't do that around here. We're gonna fix it ourselves. Dropping this transmission is a lot of work, but like I said, if it's gotta get done, it's gonna get done. There is a spit and sputter, but with these year models and these trucks right here, it's all ran by a computer. So actually my catalytic converters, they went bad in the truck. I actually have a new set right, I'll go grab them. These are the converters right here, because like I said, this truck does run off a computer. If you don't have that, the sensor, I mean, it will make it ride rough. That's what I'm going off of, and that's what my code's reading to me too. So I want to go ahead and replace these. There's 4 sensors that go in these, and they're around $30. You put them right there, right there. Pretty easy, just bolt the old ones, bolt these in, and I have to finish off my exhaust. I mean, I'll start it for you guys. It is pretty loud. It's literally pretty much, it's all cut off. It's loud, but it's not bad. The truck runs great. It's really not that bad. My power steering pump is leaking a little bit too. All that is a super easy fix. Like I said, I didn't pay much for this truck at all, and because it is the way it is, it's 100% worth it. Now here down the road, if it starts having more problems, as fast as I bought it, as fast as I can sell it. I mean, it is a good truck. I like buying stuff that I can fix up. I can show you guys. It can be part of the channel. It's not bad. The fishing machine. Let you guys hear it. Start her up. Y'all heard it. It's got a little bit of a spit and sputter. Like I said, they ran off a computer without getting that stuff fixed. It's gonna do that. I am a little low on gas. Really not going to move from this spot until I get all this stuff fixed. I'm really in no rush. I have the truck. I bought it. It's just those 3 main fixed. I have one of them. I'm working on the oil, and then the power steering pump's like 120 bucks. We can put that in. It's really not that bad. Love the color of it. I mean, it really is a pretty truck. And I've always wanted a Tahoe, and now it's a cat-eye Tahoe. Like it at the same time, but I don't. But like I said, I'm not picky. It runs, it drives, 4-wheel drive, go down ponds, go down pass. I can do all of it. I can pull my boat. It's got the whole it's got everything fully loaded. This is my truck now, y'all. So you'll be seeing this hopefully up and running soon. Up and fixed soon, because it is running. It's gonna help the channel out a lot. Being able to go to the new pond now and start getting those fish. We can never really bring a big cooler because we don't really have the truck that we need. So now that we have one and we can do that, tons of pond stockings, a lot's gonna happen in this vehicle right here. If you guys like it and you have any suggestions, I'm not gonna clap it out, and that's how your stuff breaks. But this is just advice if you guys are looking to buy a truck. I mean, if you have the money, go buy something off a lot. If you like doing what I do and just buying stuff and fixing it up, I highly recommend doing something like this. Just make sure you're not that far into the hole. Really pay nothing for this truck, so I do have a little extra money to put back into it. Don't try to show off. You want this, you want that. I mean, this is now mine. I take full pride in it for what it looks like and what it is. I'm gonna fix it up, and then when it is in its prime, I can look back and I can say what I've done to this. Some of the biggies that the motor runs and the transmission's not slipping. I mean, I don't have any problems like that right now, so that's why I did purchase this. I'm super excited for it. If you guys are new to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe button like always. Leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions, just to say hi. Tell me that I'm ugly, do whatever you want. I always reply back to my fans just because I love them so much. We have a ton of exciting stuff coming out, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Really appreciate it, guys. Thanks for watching the video on the truck. We'll get this thing up and running soon. If there's any projects, I will film them. I appreciate it, y'all. Little bastards.